video, I will be giving a few of the essential tools that I like to use for my makeup application, and I think there are like a few must-haves that most people should have in their makeup collection. And you know, they're just a few tools that make it very easy to do your makeup, you know. So first of all, I'm going to start with the brow area, and my first thing I think everyone should have is a spoolie, and this will help you tame your brows and, you know, get them where they should be sitting, you know, and brush them up, brush them sideways, brush them down, whatever you want to do with them, you know. Just, it's a good tool to have. And then also for that area is the tweezers. Tweezers are good for touch-ups, you know. I like to use them when I get a little hairier, you know, we all get a little hairy in the brow area, you know. Also, a cute little flat brush. This is a Wet n Wild brush. It costs like $2, and it's good for cleaning up your brows. You can use concealer, which is another must-have, and concealer and little flat brushes like these are a staple. You know, you can have no makeup on, put a little, you know, do your brows or whatever, and use these two together and clean them up, make them look like you just got them done, you know. And yeah, another little must-have I like is gonna be for your face. So sponges are really, really good to have. You can use them. They have little bitty ones. They have big ones. You know, they have all sizes. I have a few. I have this little pack right here of different ones, and they just all fell out. Okay, and this flat end, this end right here is for fuller coverage, or a larger area rather, and the tip is for little small areas, you know, you want to clean up. So also, I like to have a little fluffy brush. Fluffy brush is your friend. Fluffy brush helps to blend. Yeah, I didn't know I was gonna write. Okay, so yeah. And these things right here, I have one of these, and I like to use it because it helps to blend out concealer really good, and, you know, smooth it out like a little paintbrush, you know. All right, so next to the lip area, you need liners. So I have a whole lot of these little different color liners, and what liners can do is go well with whatever lip color you're using. And you can use a liner and a gloss, like a cute colored liner, like maybe it's pink right here, or purple, and just put it over your lips all over, or just you know, line it, and do a gloss over that, and that's just like a little quick little, you know. Okay, another tip with concealer, you can use that to clean up your lip area. If you make a mistake, concealer is good for these mistakes in your eye area, like wing mistake. Well, for mistakes in your eye area, like wing mistakes and shadow mistakes and foundation mistakes, just any mistake. Concealer is good. Concealer, it does its job. It does its job, you know. It conceals, it fixes things. I love concealer. I have so many concealers, you know. And I think that's about it for the tips, you know. And I hope you guys like this video. It's like a little quick little, you know, tips you might want to use, you know. So thanks you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe to my channel, please, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a video from me. And thank you guys for watching.